this guy. I'm trying to ladder that whole ladder. The ladder with the drone is just doing these orbits through the ladder rungs all the way up the ladder. It's a pretty normal trick to do while you're racing, and you do it really fast. I was about to say, if I hit this on my first try, holy crap. Up one too high. No. Oh, no. It's so hard. So much harder than I thought it would be. Oh, it is covered in grass. Oh, it's a lot harder than I thought. I think it's the angle, maybe a little bit of the wind and the smaller size. 3 batteries down. Still haven't got it. I'm gonna keep going. God darn it. Dang it. 5th battery. This is number 5. No! Dang it. Battery number 6. Ah, shoot. Oh my gosh. That one's just intimidating at this point. So close. This is hard. This is a hard challenge. Laddering the ladder. Ladder the ladder. I already ran 6 battery packs, so I just recharged. Now I'm on my second set of 6. And I'm gonna swap from this to this, so that's HD. This is way harder than I thought it was gonna be. I think it's because the ladder's slanted, and because of that angle, it's just not normal to go through a ladder like that. And it's like 16 by 12, so it's a lot smaller than a normal race gate. So we'll see if we can get it done. It's funny because I know this is digital, but this has less latency than my DJI setup analog, and I can tell, I can feel it. Or maybe that's the lack of wind. Ooh. Ah. Darn it. Oh, it's stuck. How is it stuck up there? What? Maybe that's what I need to do. I'll sit on the ladder. Let's do some tricks. I need to do it higher up. Gotta get up here fast before it overheats. Oh, wind. Wind. All right, I gotta do it like this. It's a good thing my wife's out of town because she would not approve of this. Oh, yeah. That pigeon is not happy with that. Jeez. Oh, I made it through. Yeah! We did it. Before it repeats. It's such a gorgeous day to fly. No. Oh, darn it. Dang it. Ah. Intimidated on this one. Oh, that was good. The hardest one. I'll do that one twice. Yes! Oh my gosh. I did it. I made it all the way up to the top. I would try to dive through the very top there at the end is like the last gate. But I didn't quite make the dive. But I got all the way up the ladder, as a ladder. Oh, how many tries did that take me? 8 batteries. Took me a couple hours too. All right, I'll take the win going up the ladder. It probably wasn't as clean as it could have been, but I'll take the win. Never do I ever do a stick cam. Crotch cam. Oh, it's hard to not see sticks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Felt like a nice rip. A few tricks in a row. Oh, really tight. Right, I'm sitting goofy on the chair. Ooh. No way I hit that natty flip again. Gotta bring it back. Ooh, look at that landing. That was on purpose. Bonus ladder. Okay. I'm doing all these to the left too, aren't I? Okay, let's go down to the right. Ooh, I haven't practiced down. Well, today. Ooh. Hey. I'll take it. Woo! Don't hit that very often. Gosh, such a great day for flying right now. It's a great day for flying. Alright, goggle perch up on the ladder. Oh no. Nope, totally missed.